got a feeling. Perks help me feel it, I feel it. Problems.
Coming. Who is it? What the heck? What are you doing here?
I'm back, stupid.
It doesn't close.
Hello, I am back. I know you have missed me. I know Peasant Marco has missed me. I know everybody.
I did not miss
Shut
you.
the f up. I know everyone has missed me, and if you didn't miss me, then I could care less. But thank you for coming.
Where the heck were you?
Shut up.
Everybody,
I'm not done talking. You realize how my accent changes? I don't like you. Understand? As I was saying, I know I've been gone for a minute. I was on vacation in England and Canada. If you guys didn't see me in Canada, you didn't see me because nobody did.
Welcome back, everyone. As you guys know, Queen Alvin is back. Everybody was asking for her.
That was not a proper introduction.
What do you mean?
You didn't properly.
Okay, I present to you Queen Alvin. Did your hands grow, or they're still miniature?
No, they grew.
Today we're gonna be unboxing boxes on PRIMEUNBOX, and today is gonna be a non.
Is there any royal boxes?
I think there is.
Ooh.
Guys, today is a non-sponsored video since all of you guys like to always see sponsored and not sponsored because a lot of people still think that it's
when you're
rigged.
sponsored, you get rigged.
Yes, guys, and we do not play in sites. We make sure
It is
that they're
about
never rigged. So we're gonna show you today. We're gonna play on the site. We could potentially win or we could potentially lose. So, guys, before we play, guys, I do want to mention we have a giveaway going on, guys. We're giving away a Cloutjuice t-shirt, which, by the way,
I have not gotten mine yet.
You know why? Because we're gonna make a Queen Alvin edition for you. Oh yeah.
Well,
if you guys want a Queen Alvin edition,
15% commission from that.
no, you'll get 20,
Wow. 25.
30.
14.
Deal. Guys,
that is how you screw the competition.
so we're doing a giveaway right now for merch and a Cloutjuice pop socket plus $100. Yes, so if you guys want to win $100, a Cloutjuice shirt, and a Cloutjuice pop socket for free, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know what the f you're doing. And when you're done with all that, make sure to leave your IG handle or @ down in the comments below.
And guys, for this video, we are doing a funny competition. Whoever can leave the funniest comment about your royalty, Queen Alvin, in the comments down below.
Roast Queen Alvin. Whoever can roast Queen Alvin the best gets a mention next video. So whoever gets the best roast, we're gonna give you a shout out in the next video. Only one person, whoever got the best one. Also, guys, merch is restocking the 22nd of this month, which is a Saturday, guys. So in 3 days from this video, we're officially restocking merch. It's gonna be very limited, guys, so you guys are gonna wanna cop your merch. Plus, we are also gonna be releasing the Cloutjuice pop sockets. We are back on PRIMEUNBOX, and today, guys, we have a total of 59 keys, which is about $150 to play with. So we're gonna have a little competition, Mrs. Queen Alvin.
Queen Alvin! That is all you need to address me as.
Queen Alvin, since the golden hands, the official golden hands is not here, that means that you're not even anything when it comes to unboxing. So today, I get to take the throne of golden hands. Now, I'll give you the option to take it away from me if you get something better than me. How about that? Deal? You do not have golden hands.
You hit me in the face.
It's okay.
Fine.
Deal? No, I'm not.
I didn't like it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
It's wet.
That's what she said.
I'm just gonna go ahead and let Queen Alvin go first because you know I'm a nice person. So Queen Alvin, what do you think you should open up?
You're a peasant. That's all I think of. And I think I want to do one of these budget Hypebeast boxes. We do not have budget where I
Yeah, well, actually I don't think we even opened
because we're rich. You understand, peasant?
Who's rich?
I'm rich.
No, you're not. You stole my money.
You paid me to be here.
No, I didn't.
That's your fault.
She's gonna go ahead and open the budget mystery box, which is 2 keys, which, by the way...
Wait. Queen Alvin has a message.
That's this... Every single key, guys, is $2.50. So this box is only $5 to open. And look at the insane items you can get. Obviously, it's a lot harder. And Queen Alvin is picking her nose. Golly. You and Alvin are so alike, you know that?
Okay, peasants of the world. We're gonna open 4 of these boxes.
Queen Alvin thinks she's better than me, so it's not gonna happen. I already know. You got a $1.87 sticker.
Open the box. Oh shit.
Oh, almost.
As you can see, I'm having a blast.
No, bro. I almost thought you got
shit.
gold. Especially those are literally my dream freaking shoes, bro. I wish, bro.
Is every shoe you see on the site your dream shoe?
Any off-white that is the Air Jordans are my favorite shoes. Like, those are my dream shoes.
We're gonna go ahead and sell this before Peasant Marco continues talking. I'm tired of his voice. But real quick, I have another message for you guys.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh my god, you're so disgusting.
Let's go ahead and open the last box.
Jeez. And it smells.
Oh shit.
You got stickers. You suck. Come on, get out of the way.
Let me sell
Get out of the way. Alright guys, so since Queen Alvin folded, we're gonna go ahead and open this Comas de Garçon box that was freaking amazing last time. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these boxes. It is 10 keys, which is $25. So we're moving up a little bit here. This one's a lot more expensive. For $25, potentially get some crazy stuff. I would not mind any of these reds right here. Make 600 bucks. I would sell it and get something I want.
Alvin did better than you with that box.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
No more talking. Let's get it. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Give me something good. Please. Yes, good. It's a pink. $25, but that's okay because I didn't lose money or make money, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and instant sell that. And so I just sold back that and we are now have 52 keys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one more of these Comas de Garçon boxes because I am feeling freaking amazing today. And I think I was cheated, okay? I was cheated. I know that I can do better. Last Comas de Garçon box right here. Give me something insane like last time. A red would be amazing.
You suck.
Got a purple peasant. $15.
$15.
You
Bummer. Hey, watch your profanity.
Watch your profanity.
I'm going to prove to this disgusting, ugly peasant that
Why do you
I
always have to call me names?
Sorry.
I'm a human being, you know.
Sorry. Go ahead and open this Hypebeast V2 VRIL box.
Ooh, did we open that one last time?
We have. Look at some of the items. I mean, Audemars Piguet.
That's not how you say it.
What is it, Mr. Say it correctly.
Audemars Piguet.
Shut the f up. Open the first one.
Okay, go ahead, peasant.
Watch your mouth. I am royalty.
You're royalty? If you're royalty, you would get something better than that.
You suck. That's the same thing you got.
Okay.
You peasant.
Exactly, so that makes you a peasant too.
That does not make me peasant because I have already confirmed that I am not a peasant because I am royal.
Just open another box.
Oh, I have a smile on my face. Not anymore.
You got $9. You're garbage.
You are.
It's not about royalty. It's not about peasants, okay? This is how it's done. When you come on this website, all you gotta do, okay? All you gotta do is open this Supreme box right here because this one is litty as a titty and it's only 30 bucks, okay?
No one says
I was pretty lucky last time to actually win some pretty cool stuff off this box.
You won the same items that Alvin won.
No, I did not. Okay, guys, gold, we got red, we got so many box logos that we could potentially get in this box. So guys, right now it's either go big or go home. We're selling everything if it's not good. If it's good, we're gonna keep it. But right now, guys, so we can continue opening boxes, come on, give me a purple or a red and I'll be happy. So I can just show off to this freaking peasant right here. Okay, that's purple, $15.
You're a peasant.
By the way, guys, before we open this box, if you guys want to use the link down in the description, that is our affiliate code. It does not mean we're sponsored, guys. This is not a sponsored video, but if you guys want to use our affiliate code, we do get 25 cents for each box you guys open on the site. Let's get it. Open box. Give it to me. Yeah. Come on, bro. You got to give me something good. Come on. I'll take the keychain. 20 bucks.
Ooh, you suck.
Officially suck.
Jeez, man.
My box is all ready, even though it says your boxes are being generated. Let's go. Generated?
Generated, yeah.
Generated.
Just open the freaking box. Alright.
You know, if you yell at it, it doesn't work.
Really?
That only works with Alvin.
Okay, you got purple. How much is that? 25 bucks, so you made your money back. Nice.
Oh, I made money. Alright, I'm also going to open a Supreme box since you went twice and I deserve to go twice, okay?
Okay, go ahead. Just go. Oh my god.
I'm gonna sit back like Alvin does.
So what are you gonna get? Call it right now. What are you gonna get?
Red.
You got the cough drop. Look right here. Look. Oh, it came out of the computer. He got the cough drops. This is literally $2. Alright guys, so it is my turn. We have 13 keys left. We're coming down, guys. We have not made profit whatsoever. But it's alright, guys. We're gonna see what we can do.
I am itchy like a cat.
One box. Can this be the box that gets me something insane? Right now, guys, we could use it, okay? Because this whole unboxing, we haven't gotten anything, okay? So hopefully, come on, open box,
Definitely won't
and
come
get
from
us
your
something.
hands.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! No way! No, I cannot believe it. Dude, that is the most insane thing we've ever unboxed on this site. The freaking Prestos. Holy crap. We started with $150. I was not, oh my god, that was literally the last unboxing. Where are you going? We got the freaking Prestos, size 10.
What was all that noise?
Bro, come see this. Finally, Queen Alvin's gone. But dude,
you're recording without me?
yeah. Queen Alvin came in here, she slapped me and she threatened me. Bro, look what I just got. Prestos.
No, you didn't.
I swear, and we only started with $150.
This is fake, Queen Alvin.
No, this is real. $30 box, and we only paid with $150 freaking dollars. And this is not a sponsored video, just to show you guys we're getting complete crap and just literally the last box we got something, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and redeem these. I'm still really excited. I still can't believe I'm literally sweating. I'm sweating. We're definitely not instant selling that. We are gonna get it, and bam, ladies and gentlemen.
Why wasn't I in this video?
Bro, honestly, I'm the new golden hands.
I wasn't in the video, so I couldn't prove myself. I had somebody else playing.
Comment down below, guys, if you think I'm the new golden hands, because I just did something inexplicable. Oh man, that is about it.
I shouldn't even be in the outro.
You don't have to be in the outro. I'll do the outro by myself. Don't forget to enter the giveaway.
Yeah, you won't have a table for long.
Oh yeah? Why? Because you're gonna break it?
Oh, you want to prove it right now?
We didn't even get the 5,000 likes you asked for.
I asked
so you
for
can't
4,000.
do it. 4,000 likes. If we get 4,000 likes on this video, then we can do it.
No. You know what? I'm gonna ask for less. Because I want to break this table.
No, that's not how it works.
3,000.
3,000 likes and he breaks the table. Guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Stay tuned for merch and the giveaway. We're gonna announce it this Friday on Instagram Live. Without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching and peace.
I think this is just somebody else's channel now. I wasn't in the... Marco and Alvin, that's the thing. That's the video.